Alright, a word problem about finding the number of combinations. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is read the problem carefully. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw some boxes or slots to help us keep track of things. So I'll read it to you. It says a diner has a lunch special menu. For $10.99, you can have a combo meal selected from a choice of 5 types of burgers, 8 types of sides, and 4 types of drinks. How many possible combinations of meals are there? Okay, so I drew 3 boxes here because there are 3 different choices you can make. You can make a burger, a side, and a drink choice. So we have the 3 here. Okay, so then we have to put the number of each type of item in its slot. So I'm going left to right when I fill them in, okay? So it says, well, there's 5 types of burgers, so I put a 5 here. There's 8 types of sides, so I put 8 here. 4 types of drinks, so I put a 4 there. And then lastly, we multiply the numbers that we wrote in the slots. Okay, so we do 5 times 8 times 4, and that gives us 160 combinations. And that completes our problem.